today is Sunday, August 11th, and we are going to Disney World today. I am actually about to go on a run. I don't normally run, I just felt like I needed to this morning, so I'm gonna do that. And then I have a few things I need to pick up at Target just from the little drive up. And after that, I think we might be driving to Houston and start our vacation. So we're driving to Houston and then we are flying to Orlando from there. So it's just one flight instead of us flying from Corpus to Houston to Orlando. So it's gonna be like a 4-hour drive until we get there. We're gonna get there really late, like at midnight. So we're just gonna stay at Art of Animation for the night, and the car is sweet. And it's our whole family, it's 6 of us. So we're gonna stay there and then the next day check into Boulder Ridge for 6 nights. Hey guys, I'm back from my run. As you can tell, I am dead. I only went 1.5 miles. I'm so out of shape. But that will be good because today we're flying and stuff, so I got a little bit of energy out. Picked up my Target stuff. I got a few shirts. I don't know what this is even called, an eyebrow pencil. Hey guys, we are about to head out on our road trip to Houston. I am trying to get this giant car seat in the back seat, so that's not gonna be fun. After that, after I get this, we're gonna start packing everything up. See y'all soon.
In the car, we're going to Buc-ee's again. We're going to Genji on the first vacation.
Vacation.
Yeah. Beach night.
We're all packed up.
Beach night. We're not having a beach night.
We just picked up food at Buc-ee's. Braylee got...
I love Buc-ee's!
Braylee got Dippin' Dots. And a turkey sandwich. I don't know what that is. Maybe a roast beef sandwich. Sausage sandwich. Jared got snacks. I got a boudin kolache.
Vlog.
Braylee's eating her popcorn. I'm ready to go to Disney World.
Yeah.
Braylee, let me see your raccoon. We made it into Orlando.
And I'm a raccoon.
And it's midnight.
It's 11:20.
I always wanted to go.
Penis. Oh, it's blocking that. Oh, you would have thought there was a giant bug.
Okay, just go straight. What now? We're gonna go to the cars area, which is to the right. Yeah? There's the family walking into my little brother's dream resort. There he is right there. Okay. Cozy Cone Motel.
Yeah, kind of. Let's check it.
Walking into building 1.
Like Mom.
Take a picture of yeah.
We're going to the 4th floor.
Sweet.
Okay, we're trying to find our room.
Can you vlog it?
Brandon, can okay. We requested one next to the elevator. Shh, really? Okay, so we're gonna eat. Okay, this is a pull down bed. Little picture. And then I think this is, wait. Oh yeah, this is the main room. I think it's a queen size maybe. Little cones for the lights. There's no balconies on these resorts. And then a view of, you can't see much because it's so foggy, but you can pretty much see everything, and you can see the pool right there, but like I said, it's really foggy. A little TV, and then there's like, there's like pillows up here. Bathrooms in here. This is the first one.
Mama.
This car wash up there, and then the shower curtain. The shower curtain right here. Shower has like bubbles and stuff. This is like the living room area. And it has a pull-out couch. Everyone's in a great mood. This cute little lamp. And then this is the last bathroom. Everyone's exhausted because it's 1 in the morning. So we're gonna go to bed and I'll see y'all in the morning.